Welcome to Spanish with Phrases. In today's class, you are going to learn how to set up sentences in Spanish and speak this language effortlessly. You ready? Let's get started. This is a little gift. You can say, este es un pequeño regalo. Este es un pequeño regalo. Este es un pequeño regalo. How do you say, this is a little gift? Este es un pequeño regalo. For you es para ti. Para ti. Para ti. How do you say, for you? Para ti. So, how would you say, this is a little gift for you? Alright. Este es un pequeño regalo para ti. Este es un pequeño regalo para ti. It's the third. Es tres. Es tres. Es tres. How do you say, it's the third? Es tres. Of October is de octubre. De octubre. De octubre. How do you say, of October? De octubre. So, how do you say, it's the 3rd of October? Es 3 de octubre. Es 3 de octubre. Now es ahora. 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 How do you say, now? Ahora. I've got to go es tengo que irme. Tengo que irme. Tengo que irme. How do you say, I've got to go? Tengo que irme. So, how do you say, I've got to go now? Tengo que irme ahora. Tengo que irme ahora. Thank you. Gracias. 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 How do you say, thank you? Gracias. In advance. De antemano. De antemano. De antemano. How do you say, in advance? De antemano. So, how would you say, thank you in advance? Gracias de antemano. Gracias de antemano. I am, yo tengo. In fact, I am is yo soy, but I'm using yo tengo to talk about the age. Okay? Yo tengo. Yo tengo. How do you say, I am? Yo tengo. 16 years old, 16 años. 16 años. 16 años. How do you say 16 years old? 16 años. So, how would you say I am 16 years old? Tengo 16 años o yo tengo 16 años. To talk about your age, you don't say yo soy. In Spanish, you have your age. So you have to say the same as I have in English. I have is yo tengo. And in Spanish, if you want to talk about your age, how old you are, you have to say tengo. Okay? It's the same as I have. I have 16 years old. Tengo 16 años. Estoy. How do you say estoy? Tired now. Cansado ahora. Cansado ahora. Cansado ahora. How do you say tired now? Cansado ahora. So, how would you say I'm tired now? Estoy cansado ahora. Estoy cansado ahora. I am, yo soy. Yo soy. Yo soy. How do you say I am? Yo soy. Happy, feliz. 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 How do you say happy? Feliz. So, how would you say I am happy? Yo soy feliz. Yo soy feliz. The pain, el dolor. El dolor. El dolor. How do you say the pain? El dolor. Was terrible. Era terrible. Era terrible. Era terrible. How do you say was terrible? Era terrible. So, how would you say the pain was terrible? El dolor era terrible. El dolor era terrible. Is here es el un. Es el un. Es el un. How do you say is here? Es el un. Teacher, maestro. 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 How do you say teacher? Maestro. So, how would you say, is he a teacher? ¿Es él un maestro? ¿Es él un maestro? May I? ¿Puedo? 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 How do you say? May I? ¿Puedo? Help you is ayudarle. 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 How do you say help you? Ayudarle. So, how do you say may I help you? And you can say ¿puedo ayudarle? ¿Puedo ayudarle? Alright, now it's quiz time. I'm going to show you the sentences in English and you have to try to translate them all into Spanish. Are you ready? Let's go. How would you say, this is a little gift for you? Este es un pequeño regalo para ti. It's the 3rd of October. Es 3 de octubre. Es 3 de octubre. I've got to go now. Tengo que irme ahora. Or, yo tengo que irme ahora. Thank you in advance. Gracias de antemano. Muchas gracias means thank you very much. Okay? So, thank you in advance. Gracias de antemano. Or thank you very much. Muchas gracias. I am 16 years old. Remember, in Spanish, you say I have the age. Tengo 16 años. Yo tengo 16 años. I'm tired now. Estoy cansado ahora. Estoy cansado ahora. I'm happy. Yo soy feliz. Yo soy feliz. The pain was terrible. El dolor era terrible. El dolor era terrible. Is he a teacher? ¿Es él un maestro? ¿Es él un maestro? May I help you? ¿Puedo ayudarle? ¿Puedo ayudarle? That's all for today. I hope you like it, so share it and subscribe to this channel. See you next.